This is Jess Dunwell, and today I'd like to introduce a small application. I use this small application to grant a role to a new user. This application actually is I developed this and for those who don't have any or less Oracle skills. So let's get started. I use a SQL developer. Okay. Okay. Give me a second. We used to use Oracle skill or Oracle SQL command to grant rule to user, but we can also use application. So for example, I have a new user. I create a new user already here. Okay, so because we have, for example, we have this row civic DBA proposed view. Okay, now I uncheck it. Okay, I uncheck it. Okay, so this now this user doesn't have those privilege now. Doesn't have that row assigned. You see, but this row not assigned to the row. Okay, how can we use a Python script to do it? Okay, that's easy. Okay, let's get started here. Okay, let's open the Python script here. This is the Python script. Okay, you can see we just need to import the Oracle library for Python here, and then this is the connect to the database. Okay, so we have two rows here. We have two rows, and here first we connect to the certificate DBA schema, and we create a user, and then we grant this role to the new user. The same things, and we connect to another schema. It's called ProDBA, and then we create another cursor, and we grant the role to the new user, and then we alter those role and as a default for this new user. Okay, I don't need to run here because I use the Python to exe and create application. I use a batch file. Okay, so I double click here, so I put the username here and hit enter. It's done. Okay, so let's check the log file. I put the log file here. You see the role has been successfully granted to user, and another role also granted the user, and also these two rows are as default for the new user. Okay, so now let's double check it here. Okay, I need to close here and open again. Okay, let's open. You see, it's granted and set to the default, and it's granted and set to default. Okay, so because these two rows in the GIS database I already assigned to the row already assigned to this dataset. Okay, because dataset. So because this role assigned to the STEXU1, now that new user should have the view privilege on this dataset. Okay, I'm not sure. Do I have another schema? Yeah, I have this schema. Okay, so okay. Let's see if the new user can view that feature class here. Okay, let's see. My computer is slow, but yeah, it's okay. It can see this. And the same things for other, because another schema is called civic DBSC. Yeah, propose. See here. Just hold a second there. Yeah, so the new user and can see both of these because I grant that role to the new user. Okay, uh, it's easy because other people, if they don't have the new Oracle skill, they can use this application to grant role to the new user, and everything will take care already by application. So that's it. Thank you for your watching. Have a good day. See you next time.